My name's Pete Bishop and this is my BTartbox. It's called City of Birds. It's made like the way a magpie would make a city. Everything was found, debris, lost stuff. A couple of things I just brought back from India, and it's a place of nurture and safety where, like, man is a bird and you feel safe in a birdhouse. And I've covered it all the way around and I've drawn the city below. I hid various things on my city. There's bits of Star Wars, there's a little chair for me to hide and rest in around the corner, and I put a music box in the front.